I'm here in Fab2, as you can see, in Malaysia. We are standing in the Class 10K clean room. And right here, which I'm going to show you right now, is the Zone 1, one of the lasers in Zone 1, which is the anode laser. And now I'm going to give you a closer look. As you can see, there are 4 laser sources here, 2 for cleaning and 2 for the cutting. And then the web goes through. As you can see, the rollers, the ones which come from the toll coaters, get loaded on this machine, go through these lasers, and here we can show you the little bit closer look in terms of the lasers firing. This machine is operating at 1350 UPH or close to it, and we are producing actually cells for SAT. The cells, you can see the electrodes getting patterned, as you can see from here. When it finishes all the process here, it goes through what is called the inline inspection system, which is really the cameras which looks at the 27 different critical parameters, critical to quality parameters, which then get logged, SPC, and a closed loop correction system, which gets, triggering the lasers for positional tolerancing. And this is the anode, what we call the ALSR, which is the anode laser. Next, I will show you the other 2, the cathode and separator lasers. Now I'm standing in front of the SLSR, which is a separator laser, where I can show you the rolls that get loaded here, as you can probably see on the film, and 2 laser sources, 2 pico lasers, which are basically creating the pattern and cutting the separator. It goes through the same type of system, and we can do a little bit more close-up here in terms of how the patterning is being done. Again, this one is running at 1350 UPH in the middle of SAT, and the inline inspection system again is very similar to one which I just showed you on the anode. It captures roughly 38 different parameters, out of which 25 are critical to quality and the others are more for productivity, OEE, speed, etc. That's all captured here in line. Again, feedback loop back to the lasers, adjustments for position and tolerancing, and you get patterned separators at the end. Now I'm standing here in front of the stacker Zone 2. This is the Zone 2 room. There's going to be 11 stackers here total, or 8 stackers for the HVM. And you can see the stacker in action here now. It is merging and then the 4 layers, as you can see. And it is stacking, creating 6 stacks at a time, punching, marking on the fly, vision systems right there, making sure that the stack is accurate and properly positioned in the skew. So this is the output of this stacker. We have 6 beautiful looking stacks which were created by this machine. Now we are standing in front of the final formation cabinets, which is also called Zone 4. And we're going to show you now. You can see I've changed into a Class 100K gowning protocol, which is just a smock and not the bunny suit, which I wore in the Class 10K. And you can see now the loader, automatic loader, which is loading the trays directly into the final formation cabinets. And you can see how that is working. Okay, as you can see, we are standing here in the Zone 4 area. Again, I'm dressed for gown for Class 100K. And this is the final step. After the cells go through the final formation, they go through an OCV test. And now the batteries are coming in these trays, being fed to the sorter. Fully done automatically. This will be a nearly lights out operation where the trays are loaded from all the way from final formation OCV into the sorter. This is a sorter area, which is the final step of sorting and putting batteries in bins to be sold to the final customer. So that's this operation, as you can see. Thank you for watching. Keep following our journey to scale at enovix.com for updates as we post them.